Yeah, look like it's magic. Make it look like it's magic. Oh, you make it look like it's magic. Yeah, you make it look like it's magic. Make it look like it's magic. Well, you make it look like it's magic. Your body look like it's magic.
Okay, with this Rondo, you can mix it up all kind of ways. You can either mix it up separate, mix up your filler normal and your resin normal, or you can mix it all up together in one container. That's what I'm about to do, mix it up together. Got my resin, I'm gonna pour it in my cup here. If you don't want it too thick, you can put more filler in it than resin. If you want it kind of thin, where the self-level itself real easy, put more resin in it. Let me get this stuff going, taking me forever. I think that'll be good for now. Then you just wanna mix it on in, the filler and the resin together. See, it ain't gonna activate now because I ain't got no hardener. So I can just let this sit up overnight if I want to. If this how you want it, if you want it a little thicker than this, go on and put some more filler in it. If you want it thinner, put some resin in it. I think I'm gonna go with this here like this. Alright, once you get it how you want it, you can go on and start putting your hardener in it. This is the resin hardener. I'm just gonna freestyle this here. I think that's gonna be enough there. And this is the filler hardener. I think that'll be enough on that. And you just mix it all together. This is Rondo. It's gonna self-level, fill in all the little dips. And you can brush it on. Alright, let me take it over here to my piece. Get me a brush out here. Alright, just start brushing it on like this here. You can pour it on.
With nothing, from nothing, we made something.